Well, hello and welcome to the world of Mojato, a world that you can enter by simply going to mojato.com. Now, every week we aim to break the clutter for you from our vast range of artwork by bringing you a few things that we feel you must have a look at. I know it's wonderful to spend time like this in a gallery on a Monday afternoon, but what if you could do the same thing at home when the gallery comes to you? The gallery we're talking of is Art Motif in Delhi that has brought the work of Rakesh Kumar and Rajneesh Kaur from its physical space to Mojato. Titled Pastels on Paper, it does look very soothing on a wall, but we had to pull the person who encouraged this collaboration out of his average day and find out what exactly one is looking at on that wall. Hey, wait, not so fast, Rahul. Good to see you. Coming out of an artist residency where I'm sure you'd love to spend all of summer and winter if you could, right?
Absolutely, most part of my year if I could.
But
you won't let me.
Of course not, because all our viewers would love to know this curation that we've just seen and the artists within it. I mean, what's so special about this work and, you know, the curation that's up on Mojato?
So, this is we've collaborated with a gallery called Art Motif in Delhi. And artists Rajneesh Kaur and Rakesh Kumar bring in an extraordinary collection using pastel on paper, a medium which is sort of not very popular, one would say, these days. Rajneesh's work is extremely dense application of colors, and there is layering and detailing. There is deliberation and spontaneity that you feel sort of coexists in her work. Rakesh Kumar, on the other hand, uses bold, very deliberate straight lines, and it coexists with certain chaotic elements. It's almost like a tapestry of a typical urban living. I mean, there is recognizable forms of a cityscape and chaos. So it's very, very special body of work. I personally really like Rakesh Kumar's work as well as Rajneesh Kaur's.
Another collection on Mojato that celebrates the freedom art gives an individual is You and Art. Not only art, but collectibles here as well for the free-spirited.
Mojato is home for the best of Indian art and collectibles. So You and Art, it's the overarching theme curated by Monica Jain. There are collectibles and there is sort of artworks which are under 3 different themes. For example, experimental and eclectic, sort of the theme. So there are works of Arpita Bhavsar, which is as the name suggests, rather experimental. She uses certain, again, forms of, an architecture, but extremely detailed with lots of layers. And, alongside that, there are collectibles. There is sort of a objet d'art or certain jewelry piece that sort of can be on you as an individual, part of the household. And all of that comes together, and that space is created in that theme. That really becomes very potent and special.
Well, like anyone who visits a gallery writes their comments in the visitors book, I'm writing that you should pick up everything you've just seen if you can. Well, we leave that up to you, but keep watching us week after week.